Looking for the perfect mix of ancient history, natural beauty, and family fun on Turkey's Mediterranean coast? Kemer might just be your dream destination. From strolling through the buzzing heart of the city at Republic Square to standing in the shadows of Roman ruins in Phaselis Ancient City, this town has something for every kind of traveler. In this video, we're counting down the best things to do in Kemer, Turkey, starting with street performers and monuments, diving into coastal caves, meeting life-size dinosaurs, and ending at the summit of Mount Olympos with jaw-dropping views. Whether you're traveling with family, planning a romantic escape, or just chasing your next great adventure, Kemer offers a blend of culture, charm, and unforgettable moments. Let's dive into the top experiences you won't want to miss. Number 7. Stroll around Kemer Republic Square. Nestled in the heart of the city, Kemer Republic Square is more than just a meeting point. It's the cultural pulse of Kemer. At its center stands the impressive Republic Monument, a powerful tribute to the founding of the Republic of Turkey and the brave soldiers who fought for independence. This striking statue isn't just a photo spot, it's a symbol of national pride and history. The square is always buzzing with energy. Street performers, local musicians, and vendors bring a lively rhythm to the space, making it perfect for a stroll or some people watching. Whether you're stopping by during the day or in the evening, there's always something happening. Surrounding the square, you'll find cozy cafes and open-air seating where visitors gather to sip Turkish coffee or enjoy a refreshing drink. It's a favorite place to unwind, take in the atmosphere, and soak up some local flavor. Kemer Republic Square is also a key transportation hub, with plenty of taxis and buses ready to take you anywhere in the city, making it both a destination and a gateway. Number 6. A day on the beach in Kemer. Scenic walks and sunset views, soft golden sand, gentle waves, and the scent of the Mediterranean breeze. Kemer's beaches offer the perfect setting for a relaxing day by the sea. Begin your beach day early with a peaceful stroll along the shore, where the morning light dances on the water, and the mountain backdrop adds dramatic beauty to the coastline. As the sun climbs higher, find your favorite spot and stretch out under a shady umbrella, or dive into the turquoise waters for a refreshing swim. The beaches here are known for their crystal clarity and pebbly charm, making them ideal for snorkeling or just floating in the calm sea. Take a break at one of the beachfront cafes for a cold drink or some traditional Turkish meze. Seagulls glide overhead, music plays softly in the background, and the pace of life slows down to match the gentle rhythm of the waves. As evening approaches, the shoreline becomes a front-row seat for one of Kemer's breathtaking sunsets. Orange, pink, and purple hues fill the sky, ending the day in the most unforgettable way. Number 5. Visit Phaselis Ancient City. Cobblestone streets, Roman aqueducts, and ruins by the sea. Phaselis Ancient City is one of Turkey's most stunning archaeological sites. Tucked between pine-covered mountains and the turquoise Mediterranean, this former Lycian port blends natural beauty with centuries of history. As you enter the site, walk along the ancient main street that once connected the city's 3 harbors. On either side, you'll spot remnants of Roman baths, agoras, and columned facades that whisper stories from over 2 millennia ago. The amphitheater still stands proudly on the hillside, offering views of both the forest and the coastline. Phaselis wasn't just a trading hub, it was a cultural crossroads, influenced by Greek, Roman, and Byzantine empires. Today, you can still feel the spirit of those eras in the peaceful silence that surrounds the ruins. Just beyond the ruins, sandy beaches and clear waters invite visitors to swim where ancient ships once docked. Whether you're here for history, photography, or just a quiet place to reflect, Phaselis Ancient City is a truly magical destination that blends past and present. Number 4. Exploring Dino Park, Turkey's prehistoric theme park. Towering dinosaurs, roaring sound effects, and a lush forest backdrop. Dino Park in Kemer is where prehistoric giants come to life. Nestled just outside the city, this unique outdoor theme park is perfect for families, kids, and anyone fascinated by the age of dinosaurs. Start your adventure by walking under a massive T-Rex head at the entrance. Inside, you'll find over 25 life-sized animatronic dinosaurs scattered through shaded trails. Some move, some roar, and all are sure to spark excitement and curiosity. Beyond the dinos, there's more to explore. A small fossil excavation site lets kids play paleontologist, while playgrounds and rope courses add a dose of fun and energy. For younger visitors, pony rides and interactive games offer hands-on experiences in a natural setting. There's also a dino-themed cafe where you can relax with snacks and drinks before continuing your Jurassic journey. Educational signs in Turkish and English give fascinating facts at each exhibit. DinoPark isn't just a fun day out. It's an immersive dive into Earth's distant past, right in the heart of Kemer. Number 3. Kemer Nightlife Walking Tour. Lights, music, and seaside vibes, Kemer After Dark transforms into a vibrant blend of lights, music, and seaside charm. As the sun sets behind the mountains, the promenade begins to glow with twinkling lights and lively energy. The gentle sound of waves mixes with soft background music from open-air cafes and restaurants lining the coast. The night walk begins near the marina, where yachts gently sway in the water, and locals gather for evening strolls. Street performers and musicians add rhythm to the atmosphere, while souvenir shops and market stalls stay open late, buzzing with activity. Further along, the beach clubs begin to pulse with music, inviting visitors to dance or simply relax with a cocktail by the sea. Lantern-lit paths guide you through palm-lined walkways and toward the heart of Kemer's nightlife. Families enjoy ice cream on benches, couples take romantic walks, and groups of friends laugh over miso and wine. Whether you're out for a peaceful stroll or a night of excitement, Kemer's nightlife scene offers the perfect coastal vibe to end the day. Number 2. Phaselis Secret Cave Tour. A stunning coastal escape, crystal clear waters, towering cliffs, and a sense of mystery. Phaselis Secret Cave offers one of the most magical experiences along Turkey's Mediterranean coast. Located just a short boat ride from the ancient ruins of Phaselis, this hidden gem is tucked away between rugged rock faces and lush pine trees. As your boat glides into the small cove, the turquoise sea sparkles beneath the sunlight, and the entrance to the cave reveals itself like something out of a dream. Step off the boat and swim or paddle into the cave's cool, echoing chamber, where light dances across the stone walls and the sea turns deep blue. The cave isn't just beautiful, it feels untouched, peaceful, and incredibly photogenic. Many visitors choose to float quietly inside, listening to the soft echoes and taking in the serenity. It's the perfect spot to connect with nature and enjoy a refreshing escape from the heat. Whether you're snorkeling, taking photos, or just soaking up the beauty, Phaselis Secret Cave is a coastal treasure worth discovering. Number 1. Mount Olympos Adventure. Cable car ride and summit views in Kemer. Mount Olympos in Kemer offers one of the most unforgettable adventures along Turkey's Mediterranean coast. Begin your journey at the base station of the Olympos Teleferic, where a scenic cable car ride whisks you high above the treetops. As you ascend, the views grow more dramatic. Coastal cliffs, pine forests, and the turquoise sea stretching far into the distance. At the summit, nearly 2,365 meters above sea level, the panorama is absolutely breathtaking. From this incredible height, you can see the curve of the coastline, the rooftops of Kemer, and on clear days, even the island of Rhodes in the far distance. The cool mountain air offers a refreshing escape from the summer heat below. Wander the observation decks, take in the dramatic rock formations, and snap photos you'll treasure forever. There's a small cafe at the top, perfect for relaxing with a drink as you soak in the views. Whether you're here for the nature, the views, or the thrill of the ascent, Mount Olympos promises a high-altitude experience like no other.